A magnitude 5.6 earthquake is shaking buildings in Taiwan, and the island has been hit by a series of aftershocks. A magnitude 5.6 earthquake rocked buildings in Taiwan on Thursday morning as a series of aftershocks hit the island. Causing little damage by possibly heralding more seismic activity in the near future. According to the Taiwan Meteorological Agency, at about 10:11 am on the 30 in Chinai County in the central and southern part of the country. The depth of the epicenter was 10 kilometers. The epicenter was about 250 kilometers south of the capital Taipei, where buildings swayed slightly. Soon after, at least a dozen smaller earthquakes struck Dapu. All were aftershocks from the magnitude 6.4 earthquake that struck Dapu on January 21st.